Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer stated in the description before watching the video. Today's topic is the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. Let's see. The RERA Act, that is the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, is a central law. In Maharashtra, it is enforced by MahaRERA, that is Maharashtra Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Its main goal is to protect home buyers from builders' delays, fraud, and unfair practices while ensuring transparency in property deals. Governing laws. The overarching legislation across the country is the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. In Maharashtra, this central law is governed and enforced alongside state-specific rules known as the Maharashtra Real Estate Regulation and Development, registration of real estate projects, registration of real estate agents, rates of interest, and disclosures on website rules 2017. Applicability. First, it applies to all real estate projects where the land being developed is over 500 square meters or involves more than 8 apartments. Second, builders cannot advertise, book or sell any property in a new project without first obtaining a MahaRERA registration number. Third, it also applies to projects that were ongoing and not completed before the law was enforced. Fourth, every builder, promoter, and real estate agent must register under MahaRERA. Key features of RERA. First, mandatory registration. Builders must register their projects with RERA before selling them, ensuring all projects approvals and plans are public. Second, money protection. Escrow. Builders must put 70% of the money collected from buyers into a separate bank account. It guarantees funds are strictly used for specific buildings construction rather than being diverted to other projects. Third, standard carpet area. RERA clearly defines carpet area, actual usable area inside the walls. Builders must sell properties based on this, stopping hidden charges and inflated measurements. Fourth, no false promise. Builders cannot change the building plan or layout plan without the written consent of a majority, 2/3 of the buyers. Fifth, compensation. If a builder fails to deliver the property on time, the buyer can either cancel the booking for a full refund with interest or claim compensation monthly until they get possession. Sixth, defect warranty. Builders are legally responsible for fixing structural defects and poor workmanship up to 5 years after buyers move in. Seventh, agent accountability. Real estate agents must also register with RERA. This reduces misleading marketing and fraudulent property deals. 8. Fast dispute resolution. If a buyer has any issue, they can file a complaint with the state's RERA authority, which aims to reduce disputes quickly. Dispute resolution system in Maharashtra. If a builder fails to deliver, misleads you, or provides poor construction quality, MahaRERA offers a fast and effective complaint mechanism. First, online complaint filing. A buyer can file a formal complaint online through the MahaRERA portal. Second, adjudicating officer. A dedicated officer reviews the complaint, hears both sides, and decides if compensation or a refund is due. Third, appellate tribunal. If you are unsatisfied with the Maharera's initial decision, you can appeal to the Real Estate Appellate Tribunal within 60 days.